Good morning to all my dear students. Today I am giving tips related to biomolecules. Bio, you know, bio it means life, molecules, you know, it molecules, compounds which is essential for survival of life. The molecules which are essential for survival of life are considered as biomolecules. तीन biomolecules, carbohydrate, protein, fat. These three components of food are important. Beside it, vitamin, mineral, roughage, water are also important component of food, but mainly related to biomolecules, you can say carbohydrate, protein, fat. So first, listen related to carbohydrate. In carbohydrate, for board examination, you have to study its formula, empirical formula, molecular formula, structural formula. After that, category of carbohydrate. In your book given 3 monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. So you have to capture it with example. Oligosaccharide, example given monosaccharides, example, glucose, fructose, ribose, given in your book. But related to oligosaccharide, maltose, polysaccharides related to, polysaccharides, example, lactose in your book given. All students have to capture it. Listen first. I think preparation of glucose you have to study from sucrose or from starch. How are glucose and fructose are prepared, structure of glucose also you have to know, cyclic structure also. I told you polysaccharide, glycogen given, cellulose given, starch given, you have to capture it. So I think in this chapter related to carbohydrate you have to capture monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides. Okay. After that, second, protein. In protein, you need amino acid, its structure, formula, sure you have to capture. After that, amino acid, generally 20 in your book given, some essential, some non-essential. So their structure formula molecular formula, everything you have to capture. Protein, types given: fibrous protein, globular proteins, you have to capture it. Mechanism of enzyme action, enzyme play an important role for digestion. Enzymes act as catalyst, so capture it. After that, in your book given classification of vitamins, you have studied in earlier class vitamin A, in vitamin B, many types of vitamin: B1, B2, B6, B12, C, D, E, K. I think its chemical name, sources, deficiency disease. You have to revise 2 times minimum. After that, nucleic acid. In nucleic acid, DNA, RNA, the structure of DNA, Watson and Crick gave double helical model of DNA. So you have to study properly from book. I think in it, nucleotide, there are 3 components: nitrogenous base, starch, and phosphate molecules. I think in it, some components are very important: adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, uracil. In a DNA, nitrogenous base, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. But in RNA, instead of thymine, uracil. Generally, you have to capture in form of purine and pyrimidine. Complementary component you have to capture. DNA, DNA fingerprinting given in your book, you have to capture clearly. So I think I told you these facts you have to capture. Beside it, question answer, question answer related to NCERT. Sure, you have to revise. If some important facts given in your book related to fat also, because I told you carbohydrate, protein, fat, very important. Beside it, nucleic acid, it means DNA and RNA. So try to all students capture it for getting good marks. Weak and intelligent all students, because this chapter I think is based on your understanding, so try to understand it, everything, particularly carbohydrate, protein, fat, and nucleic acid. Okay, all students try to capture it. Thank you.